Good morning, everybody. So before you click onto this vlog, it's kind of from Halloween and just on Monday, actually all week I've been packing little by little. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you probably don't know, but we are moving out of the apartment. I'll give you more details later, but I have started packing and decluttering, and you'll see in the clips coming up that I packed up the coffee bar, which had all of my Halloween mugs, my regular mugs. A lot of mugs are in storage, so I will be going through everything once we are in the new place. And yeah, so stay tuned for more exciting vlogs coming up, but it's just been overwhelming me packing. I started off in the kitchen because that's the area that has the most stuff. So I'll show you guys what I've done here in a little bit, but let's go on to Sunday, October 31st right now. Yummy breakfast for the honey. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
What are you gonna say?
Trick or treat.
Look at this house, this setup. Oh my gosh, so cute. Go say trick or treat. I want to go through it. Can I go through this? This is so awesome. Oh my gosh, look at this one. I feel like something's gonna come out and scare me. Oh my god, that's amazing. This is so awesome.
It's fake, okay? But Mommy went through.
What do you say? Say thank you. Love it. Y'all did a good job.
What do you say?
What do you say, Zoe? She's tuned. Trick or treat.
Yeah, say trick or treat,
I got
baby.
two. I got 3 candies.
Yeah, put it down more. Put it in there.
Oh, this is cool.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween. Congratulations on first place.
Daddy, look.
So it's 10:33. I already boxed up all of the Halloween mugs. I still need to go. This is where I'm going. I'm going to HEB because they get rid of their banana boxes. And let me tell you, I already mentioned that before. They are so sturdy and they have handles where you can carry them easily. So I trust those boxes, and those boxes are like the best. So I'm gonna go run up to our HEB really quick and see if they have any that they'll give me. Usually they'll give me about 4 or 5. Okay, so I just got back from HEB. It's 11:20. They didn't have banana boxes. They only had these orange boxes that don't have lids to them, but they're very sturdy. And like I said, I'm just trying to use these to pack up all the mugs. That way I can just take them in these boxes that are sturdy and have handles to the new house. So I'm gonna see how these work. If I don't like them, then I'll have to go to another HEB or another Walmart to get the other boxes. You can't buy happiness.